Linking your bank account to Phenom People is a straightforward process that allows for seamless transactions and management of your financial information. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Log into your Phenom People account. Start by visiting the Phenom People website and logging into your account using your credentials. Ensure that you have access to the account you wish to link. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section in the main menu. This area typically contains options for managing your personal and financial information. Step 3. Select bank account linking. Within the account settings, find the option labeled Link Bank Account or similar. Click on this option to begin the process of adding your bank details. Step 4. Enter your bank information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Link Account button to finalize the linking process. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Phenom People, facilitating efficient financial management. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.